This is not a CPU. Then what do you call it then? Let's find out. Hello everyone, it's Jello here, and today we are back with another video. And for many of you, you may have called this, or maybe still call it, a CPU. But technically, it's not. I came across a post on a Facebook group a few months back. It's a textbook describing what a CPU is. Unfortunately, it failed to describe what it really is. Then what is a CPU? A CPU is a chip that goes onto the motherboard. You can Google it if you want. It's not mainly visible because it's covered by its cooler or its fan. So you might be asking, if the chip is the actual CPU, then what should you call this then? Well, technically, this is a system unit. However, if you find it weird to call it that, you can simply call it a computer or a PC. Gamers also call it a rig. So why do many people still call this a CPU? Even most stores still call this a CPU. Well, let me start first. Honestly, I used to call it a CPU as well. Because when I was younger, it is what was taught in school. I only started calling it what it actually is when I started building my own PC. And what about you? Why do you think most people still call this a CPU? Is it just because of misinformation? Or is it because people just got used to it? Or is it a Filipino thing? Let me know through the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. That is it for today, and see you on the next video. And thank you so much for watching.